Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and I'm going to continue on with this little small church project we've got here. So here we go. So now what we need to look at is things like foundation. So here I want to just set that. Then I guess I can save it. And there we got our foundation. And this is basically right around grade. So this is Chicago. Let me go into my section. Can I get it there? Yeah. So here in this state, you need to be 42 inches below grade for frost. So, okay. So at that level, I basically will probably go here, and let's go to my 3D view, which we are in. Even better yet, let's go into the footing level. I made a level for that. Uh-oh. There we go. So there's our footing. Let's see, a structure view. Let's see if I can do this with a view template. Make this a little easier on the eyes. You got a structure open? Yeah. There. So now there's our foundation. Now we can go and add our footing because we're going to need a footing here. So I'm going to structure tab. I'm going to go here to where it says isolated, and I'm just, oh really? Okay, let's see if I can do that one. Okay, there we go. Now I want to look at my properties to see what actually we're dealing with. Okay. That's a bit overmatched, but I'll go with that for now. So there's our footing for our little small church. Now this is adjustable. We can move it and we can do whatever we want. So I'll go back into my 3D view. And so here we have our footing. And of course, let's go to I like the north elevation. So go into our project browser here. And let's look at our north elevation. Maybe the west. Let's see. Excuse me. Let's do the west. Yeah. Okay, so now here's our front, and here's our foundation. So now here we need to be 3'6" below. So let's go and have a look. Let's do a couple of things here. I want to try to squeeze into this video. I want to go back and look at our trusses for a brief minute. And I want to cope some of these, so you got to do that. It's basically, I hate to be doing this for you guys going up on the channel like this. Let me just fix that. But I'm running pretty good time. I might be able to squeeze this out. So here, you're going to go to Structure tab. And we're going to go here and we select this. We're going to hit cope. So I can cope, say, that one and that one. What am I, wireframe? Let me get out of wireframe so we can see what's happening. Okay, so let's undo this and then go into shaded view. Go ahead and line. And okay, let's do this here. Just so I want to show you how to do this because it's kind of important. Let's hide this. Okay, so there I want to cope. I want to select this. Want to cope, so from say, I don't have a lot of good examples here. I've done videos like this. Okay, I want to undo that. That's wrong. I don't really know what's going on there, but I'm going to continue on with this in our foundation. So go back to my 3D view. So here we have our slab. Now this is going to be an on grade. So I'm going to go to my section 2 view, or let's go to the section 1 view. And here's our foundation. So This is going to be our level 1. And that probably going to end up being our finished floor. So what can happen here, let's go into our level 1 view. Oh, okay. And then we'll do floor. Let's do a structural floor. And we can pick the lines here, I guess, or whatever you want to do with this. Pretty simple and straightforward. This is our span direction, which will go that way. Actually, we need floor here as well. So, I'm going to just delete this out for now. And go in here, do another line, pick line, or pick wall. There, there, and there, and there. And then we clean this up. Okay, probably should have did something a little different there, but let's see what happens here, folks. I need to do the bathrooms too, huh? Okay, so getting to my cutoff time here. I'm gonna pick this line. What does that say? Okay, so I'm gonna just do this. Should help here. And this one here. So this should be my slab on grade. We've got to do the bathrooms, but I'm going to click finish here. Okay, I got an issue there. When I continue here, I should have saw that. There. Make sure everything's clean, and let's go finish. Don't attach. And there's our floor. So let's go look at this in our section view. Okay. The floor might be a little thick. I think that's going to be probably a 6-inch. But we'll work that out in the next video. We'll do a slab edge and basically show how you would do a slab on grade. So like I said, I have to do the bathrooms and everything here. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Just wanted to run you through this little small project. Now here, this is going to be interesting. This is below the frost line, but this here has got to be compacted fill. We got to go, I don't know, this basically had to be frost line protected, the footing. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let's see here, we got this guy going here. So we got our foundation wall and our footing. And like I said, we have to do a detail because that's got to go, we got to have a pad footing at least 42 inches. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you'll see me like videos like this, and everybody be safe. Bye.